Okay, so the yellow one, this one is the Robot Engineering Building Hall. So for the Robot Engineering Building Hall, add a robot using 23. So this one will be 23, and this one will be REH. And for the name, it is Robert Engineering Hall. Okay, and then going to save and click yes. Perfect. And then we have to move the vertices tool to better match the building polygon for the world imagery map. I think it's a perfect match already. Yeah, it's a perfect match already. So saved already, and then zoom out. Yeah. Okay, actually I could move it a little bit. Click delete. Oh no. Control Z. Alright. So if you did something wrong, then you can just Control C, and then I just move this a little bit to the left. There. Okay. So now it matches a lot better. Okay, now I'm going to save it and we will move on. To create and delete polygon features, I just accidentally deleted. So changes to the Carnegie Mellon University campus include a oh, I forgot to click this save. But it should be fine, okay. Campus include a new addition to the Coal University Center, a new building for the College of Engineering Scott Hall, a new quadrant for the Temple School of Business Quad, and a new addition to Hans College, which is Hamburg Hall. A new feature class will highlight these development areas for communication with the campus community and the university's neighbors. And then we will do is we will use the Cohom bookmark. And zooming twice. Okay, where is it is right here, and we will open catalog pane and navigate. It's right here. Navigate to database or folder. Should I go to folder? Okay, it's okay. We just have to go to geodatabase 7. And on the geodatabase, we will right click on it and we will say new, a new feature class, Okay, for new feature class, and then we will type buildings proposed. For the feature name, buildings proposed. And for geometry type, it's polygon. Under coordinate system, we will use the blocks, okay, which is NAD 1983, state plane, Pennsylvania, south. FIPS is 3702 feet. Okay, and then we will run the tool. After it finishes, close the geoprocessing pane and catalog panes. A new block proposed feature class has been created in the file geodatabase, and a corresponding layer has been added to the map. Then the feature class is empty now. Later, as we digitize features, polygons will be added to the feature class and become visible on the map. So we will drag it down and we will open this and attribute table and go to field. Okay, moving in the center so we can see better. Okay, and then we just click right here, option, and oh, it's already ready for us. Click here to add a row. No, I think I still have to go to fields view in the fields field and a field name. Click here. So it will be field's name. It will be BL building name. Alias alias, it will be building name 2. G and a. Okay, so data type, it will be text. Okay, building name, cell 75. Okay, and click save. Perfect. And when we back, and then we can add something. Okay, object. We didn't do anything yet, so we will save the edit, close this, everything. Okay, close geoprocessing as well. And then the new feature class is ready to do it. So before we start adding a feature, we will change the style for the layer symbol. In the contents pane, we're going to change the color to Tuscan red with a white outline. So Tuscan red. Okay. Tuscan red. Gonna be a while. I don't remember. Fire red, Tuscan. Okay, right here. Tuscan red with white outline, white. And I didn't mention the width. We will do 2. Click apply there and close it out. So now on the edit bar, and we will click edit bar, and we will say create new feature. So edit bar, click the create feature tool right here, create. It didn't say create feature, but it's create. It's under feature and create. And then we have to, in the create feature, we have to select our this layer, and then we click blocks proposed and the polygon button, and which is this one. Okay, and then on the configure toolbar, we're going to click the line button. So which is right here. Click the line button and drag to draw a rectangle similar to here. I'm going to draw it here. 1, and then 1. Okay, and then 2, and then 3. How come it's, yep. There. I think what I did a triangle, but let's draw another small one then. 1, 2, and then 3. Because I double click it, so that's why. Alright. So now I did 2. So we drag and draw a rectangle. We can do rectangle or triangle. It doesn't matter if the imagery map has an updated building footprint. Use this as a guide to digitize the building. Anyway, save the edits and clear the selected polygon. Save and click yes, and then clear. Okay. And now we will do a little bit more. We will use the Hansberg bookmark. Back to map and Hansberg here, and we will cross the street. We will do the temple quad. Go back to navigate, explore, and where is the quad? Hamburg edition. Let's look again. Okay. Oh, Hamburg Hall, Hamburg Klein Hall. Which is this one. Okay, and zoom out a few times and draw a rectangle on the north of Robert Engineering. Yeah, north. It's right here. So I can draw this one then. Okay, sure, that's fine. And then I would draw. Trace, I don't. Yeah, I could trace it. There. Okay, and use the temporal, going to add it back and save it. So each time you have to save it. And go back to the map and bookmark, and we will go to temporal quad, and okay, which is this shape. Let's just draw it then. 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, and then 7, and then 8, and then 9. Okay, like this. Okay. Alright, and then we will save it, add it, and click save. And we will do another one. It's Smith Hall. Scott Hall. And we have something addition here. I don't know what is it. Yeah, click save first. And what is the addition? That's fine. I think we have enough. Okay. Oh, this thing too. 1, 2. And then we will do a curve. 3, 4, 5. And then back to line. 6, 7, 8, 9. Double click. Okay. Alright, so go to save. And then click yes. And we will open attribute table and add it to it. So the first one, we can just select on it and see what is the name. The first one, let's select on top of here. And let's draw it down a little bit. Okay, so that one is Cohen Edition. Cohen Edition. Cohen Edition. Okay, if I mispronounced the name, I'm sorry. Okay, then this the same. I drew 2. Cohen did. Okay. And number 3. Oh, the same. Okay. I will say bathroom. Bathtub. Bathtube. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is Scott Hall. Scott Hall. Number 5. So number 5 is the temper quad. Temper quad. Number 6 is the Hamburg edition. Perfect. And then you can just save and you have a new shapefile, and then we would delete polygons. So new development often includes the demolition of existing buildings. As part of the University Forbes Avenue Innovation Corridor, 4 buildings will be demolished and will be deleted from the GIS building layer. So we will use the ArcPark bookmark. So back to map and bookmark ArcPark right here. So that 4 buildings will be destroyed here. And Forbes Avenue on Carnegie Mellon's University campus. Select one of the 2 buildings on the right east of the Integrated Innovation Institute. Okay, right here. So I'm going to select on it. Oopsies. I'm going to go back to select. Okay, select. Okay, that's the one. Select. So, go to buildings and open attribute table. Perfect. And then if I select it, and then we can see, yeah, this one it has no name. And you can just right click on it, delete. There. And then we save the changes, click save, and then it's gone. Okay. And then we will